So look at what I found. It is my order from Sephora, and I thought, let's do this, let's do this. I'm so ready for this. I need a knife. Yeah. Yes. So let's open this. Something has Korean written on it. Yeah, it was one of the samples. Another of the samples. What is that? That's a primer sample. Who cares about that? But look at this. Okay. That. And then I had to add a couple of blushes. And this is another thing that was a freebie with a $25 order. You know, so let's open it up. So this was a free gift with $25 purchase. Comes with a travel bag, and it's filled with more samples, more tiny. Hey, this is not bad. This is a Kat 1D concealer sample. I wanted to try these, so it's good to have that. The Too Faced, I tried that in the store. Not very. What is that? A pore vanishing stick. Okay. A whole bunch of things. I don't know how many samples this has in it. Hourglass, mineral primer veil, some perfume. What is this? Marc Jacobs. Something. Jose Moran. Argan oil. This Origins mask. Sephora something. And another Makeup Forever Professional Paris HD blah. I'm assuming this is foundation sample. A shade for every woman. They send me 4. None of them looks warm. You know, that's my issue. That's why I haven't been using makeup, because you can never find something that works. But so yeah, it's a whole bag with the fake leathery bag. Not bad, I would say it's free. Way more than what I got from Ulta. You know, hint hint, Ulta, hint hint. Ugh, not my choice. Too flowery. Maybe if it kinda airs out, maybe it'll work, but not right now. No. So not for me. Gosh, that's just strong. Okay. The Marc Jacobs. Ooh. Oof. That was strong. I think I got this one with another one. Yuzu. It's a yuzu flavored perfume. The Versace one. Not bad. This is not bad. Oh, it's fresh. But the Marc Jacobs, bad. And the other samples I got are a highlighter. Okay. As I showed earlier, another Makeup Forever. What is that? Primer. I'm guessing this is facial primer. And this is what I was interested in. Gauze Peeling Lemon. That's all it says. I assumed that it was some form of skincare. So these three I actually asked for because you get 3 samples with Sephora. And these blushes I got because they were $6 each on sale, and basically I wanted to reach the $50 minimum to get free shipping. I'm not paying for shipping for anything. Otherwise I would go to the store and buy it, or I would not buy it. And this. It needs a, what can I say? I think it needs a background music. I have been waiting for this for so many months. It has been sold out for so long, and now it's here. But recently someone on YouTube mentioned that their Tarte's Pro is better than the Modern Renaissance. So a battle of the palettes is coming soon. Stay tuned and we'll compare these.
I also went to the store recently, and there also I got a bunch of free stuff. The associate there did a mini facial on me for free, and she said I could come anytime. And then she pretty much gave me samples of every single thing that she put on me. I purchased a little, what is that, makeup setting spray, and that is also amazing. I love it. It's like minty and really, really refreshing. I'm not usually a mint person, but I like this one. But then I got a whole bunch of free stuff. She actually gave me a freaking mask. And she also told me that if I go to Sephora's app, then they have freebies every Tuesday. The Beauty Bazaar has free stuff. And then you get, if you purchase online, they also give you a whole bunch of stuff with their purchases, as I did.
So this explains why Sephora has been my favorite store for so long. So hit like and subscribe. And I realized that in my last video when I said I was reviewing this, I didn't exactly review it. I apologize, and I'm going to upload a video of an actual review about what I think of this palette and how these compared with some of the other shadows I have in some other palettes soon, hopefully in a day or two, and then I will do a comparison of the two. I'm so happy. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye. I'm so in love. Okay, keep watching and we will